building set of Katana. So I haven't really seen much like this before. It's something different than the cars and planes and helicopters I've been doing videos on so far, but let's see what this is and build it up and check it out. All right, so this looks like it's going to be a very odd, very tricky build. The pieces are very strangely shaped, and I think they kind of like hook onto each other from the side instead of the top, maybe the top also. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started and see what we get here. Okay, well there it is. I have to admit I was a little skeptical on this one because of the strange pieces. Very weird sort of way of building things. This kind of side connecting and top connecting pieces. But yeah, it's kind of neat, I guess. So there you have it. A sort of a, I don't know, probably about a half scale katana built out of very small pieces. I'd actually love to see what something like this would look like in regular Lego size pieces. It'd be like a full-size katana and you could swish it around and stuff. Anyway, there you go.